So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to find out which graphics card that you have. So you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. It's now going to be showing you. For me, I have an NVIDIA graphics card. You're either going to have NVIDIA, AMD or Intel. Once you find out, there's going to be 3 links down below in the description for NVIDIA, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. For me, I have an NVIDIA graphics card, so I got the NVIDIA app. And now once you're on our software, you want to go to the driver tab and then select check for updates. If you have an update available for your graphics card, you want to download it. Make sure that your graphics card drivers are fully up to date for your software. For the last step, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.